doing well and you are having a great week. Yeah, what a week it's been. You've seen all of our plays. Every day we've done a video in advance and you've seen how our plays have worked out. And we've had some amazing home runs this week. So it's been a really good trading week. Let's hope it continues because 2021 has been awesome for us. We're going to quickly jump into two trades that we bought today that we are riding overnight and going to hold. IDEX is the first one I'm going to talk about. Okay, this company is known. It's a known company. It got attacked last year by a short attack and it kind of messed up the share price. Kind of knocked its confidence. But this company has been making strides to bring back consumer confidence and investor confidence. IDEX, in a nutshell, is a holding company. It's the best way to explain it. They go out and find companies and buy them. So they bought a couple of EV companies. They've got an EV motorbike company in Asia. They've got an EV car company. They've got an EV tractor company they've purchased. They've got real estate companies they've purchased. But what they have signed a contract with is a EV charging company, power company called Wave. It's a great acquisition. It's a Utah-based company called Wave. It's a cash and stock purchase, and it's a great play. Stuff like IDX are great money makers. They're easy to trade. This is up 36% today. I was fortunate enough to actually hold 3,000 shares of this not so long ago, so I'm already way in profit on this trade, and I'm going to hold this one overnight and look to exit tomorrow, or just tighten up my stop loss, lock in a lot of the profit and just let it continue riding. I'm not too sure, but I know I'm still going to hold this. I've got no plans on selling it just yet. It's up 36%. It's had a nice little jump in after our trading. I expect this to continue running tomorrow. As you can see in the chart, it has its run-ups, then it has its sell-offs, then it runs up again. We're in the middle of a run-up now. So if you're going to purchase it, keep a tight eye on it. It will jump fast, but it will sell off fast as well. But there is a lot of potential in this one for tomorrow. So I'm holding IDEX for tomorrow, but please keep an eye on it. Another play I've got into today is ENG. This is a total Biden play. If you don't know what Biden play is, anything that President Biden is going to promote when he comes into office in a couple of weeks. So green energy, cannabis, EV cars, stuff like that. Biden's all over. So these are great plays. EG is a green energy company and it's having a nice day today on the market. So pull up the 1 day chart. No, don't you hate that when it happens? When you click it and it gives you a little advert? But anyway, we'll stick on the 1 year chart. We can't really zoom in for the 1 day. You can see it's had a lovely spike up today. It's at 510 at the moment in after hours. This has jumped 73% today, and we think this can continue running tomorrow. So we're going to hold this one overnight as well and look to either sell it in pre-market or continue riding it throughout the day. But I do know I want to be out of this position and quite a few of my other positions tomorrow. So I like to go into the weekend holding cash in case of any developments over the weekend. One last thing. As we know, weekend stock market's shut, but Bitcoin isn't. Bitcoin has had an amazing run. So if it continues its run over the weekend, well, basically, this is how I'm going to do it. This is how I'm going to judge it. I'm going to see how Bitcoin acts tomorrow afternoon before the market shuts. If it looks like it's going to run over the weekend, then I'm going to buy a load of Bitcoin mining companies again, like we did at the beginning of the week. So I'll be looking at CAN, BTBT, MARA, and a couple of the others. NCTY, that was a beautiful trade this week. We made about $9,000 on that trade alone. And that's actually having a pullback today. So that could actually be ones I look at for tomorrow if Bitcoin runs. So keep an eye out on Bitcoin, see how it's acting. If it looks like it's going to run over the weekend, then that would be a great trade to get into some mining companies. But besides that, that's all we have. So I hope you've had a successful week like we have. We are going to start doing follow trades. So we're going to find out a way of having our trades posted live, so you can see the trades we're getting as we get into them and as we get out of them. So I know a lot of people do copy what we do. And if you've not joined our Facebook group, there's a link in the description below. Anyway, guys, trade safe. See you soon.